Today I'd like to share with you a new addition to the Li-Ning racket lineup. This is the Windstorm 600, part of the Extra Skill series, which you can find on the cone of the racket. Before I go into more details of this racket, it actually comes with a racket case here, which allows for a single racket, as well as some spare grommets and an actual stringing manual. So it provides details on different stringing patterns for different type of rackets. Okay. So if we go into details of this racket, you'll find that it is a lightweight racket sitting at 78 grams, so very easy to swing. The shaft is flexible, so it's very forgiving, allowing for a player who doesn't have as fast of a quick swing to enjoy the racket. What you'll find with this racket is it's very beautifully designed with a combination of purple, turquoise, yellow, and white. So you can see around the frame here the nice design and with a matted type finish. The racket itself has a balance point of 290 millimeters. What that means is it is more of a balanced feel, so it won't feel too head heavy when you're playing with it. What you'll also notice about the racket itself is if you look at the grommets, there are actually different sizes. So you'll find that, say for example, my left thumb here pointing at the small grommet versus the big one. So what Li-Ning has done here with the larger grommets, that's an indicator for where there are shared holes where two strings enter into the racket. So you'll find that with all Li-Ning rackets, it has an indicator with the different grommets with a larger size and a smaller size. So for example, in this one, you have two strings entering and exiting. You also find with all the Li-Ning rackets we carry, there are all small grip sizes, extra small, which sits at 3 1/8 inches. The reason for this is if you need to increase the grip size, you can add additional overgrip on top. But what we recommend is always a smaller grip size because it will help with the dexterity. So you can use your fingers to assist with your controlling your shots. What you also find on the handle of the racket is actually a authenticity code. So all Li-Ning rackets come with this authenticity code to ensure that you are getting a legitimate racket. Find at the cone of the racket, very beautiful design of a Li-Ning logo. It's a great racket. The maximum stringing tension for this racket is 24 pounds vertically, 26 pounds horizontally. This current one is strung up with Li-Ning NS95 strings at 24 by 26 pounds, holding extremely well. What you'll find with all Li-Ning rackets is they all come with a 6-month racket guarantee. So if there are any manufacturer defects with the racket within the 6-month period, you can be certain that you'll be taken care of. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.